Excited si Don Julio, mga kaibigan. Buksan natin ang... Ayan! What you gonna say?
Tita.
What you gonna say, CJ?
Tita.
Thank you, Tita Kibler. Thank you. Thank you. O, buksan natin, ta. Excited na si Kuya. Oh, CJ, what you gonna say?
Tita.
Okay, ali. Ayan. O, dito ka upo. Dito ka upo. Dito. Dito ka sa pwesto mo.
Oh.
Ayan, excited si Don Julio, mga kaibigan, oh. Wow, excited siya buksan ang pasalubong galing sa Pilipinas. Amoy Philippines. Sit down lang. Sit down lang. Wow. Ano to? Wow. Ayun. Wow, ang ganda. Look, ano yan? Bag? Wow, that's a pretty bag for you. And then, okay. And ano to? Wow. Oh, favorite. Look, CJ, look. Yummy. Biscocho. You want biscocho?
Yeah.
Sige, buksan na natin ang biscocho. Ako ka ng gunting ko. Sige na, kunin mo. Huwag ka ng gunting doon ka. Okay, ano si mama, buksan natin. Sige na.
Mommy.
Oh, yeah. Meron pang laman. Kulang mo na yung gunting. Right. Kunin mo yung gunting doon. Okay, scissor. Ano natin, buksan natin. Sige na, go get it. Buksan natin, scissor.
What?
Yeah, go get scissor.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, buksan mo magkaya. Yes. It's over there. We're gonna open. No, we're gonna open. Open. Shh. Yes. Yeah. Buksan natin, mga kaibigan. Wow. Ayan. Oh, sarap ito doon. Sarap ito doon with gatas. You want gatas?
Yeah.
Oh, kuha na agad si CG, oh. Wow, lami. Sarap. Ako ng gatas pa kay Jer. Sabi yung sausaw ng gatas. Sausaw mo yan dito doon. Ang sarap yan sausaw. Wow, kalami man yung biskutso eh. Sausaw doon, bi. Okay. Thank you, Keb. Pasalubong from the Philippines.
Okay.
Kalami ang biskutso. Bihang. Mama. Enjoy si Don Julio. Ang sarap talaga pag may... Ito pa. Yeah. Last one. Napkin doon, oh. Wow, nag-enjoy na si Don Julio, oh. That's your napkin. Uy! Wow! May abaka. Abaka na bag, oh. Uy, ang ganda nito. Shoulder crossbody na bag. Shoulder bag, crossbody bag. Abaka. Maganda to, mga kaibigan. Oh, mayroon siya dito nga lock. Tika lang. Buksan natin, oh. Malaki ang kanyang paglalagyan sa loob. Oh, wow. Ganda niya, malalim. Ang ganda ng abaka. Di ba, mga kaibigan, oh, malaki. May bag na abaka. Wow, may kasama.
Me.
May kasamang, uy, mahulog yan, B. May kasamang, partner na wallet.
Mommy, it goes to Dad.
Ano yan?
Dad,
Anong laman?
Dad.
Wow! Ano to?
me.
Ang cute naman ito. Pair silang dalawa, pocket at pitak, wallet at bag. Bagay silang dalawa, oh. Ano yan? Ano man to dun? Wait lang. Anong tawag dito? White flower to. White flower. Ayaw kay manghang to, nak. Maanghang to, baby. Subukan mo nga sa ilong mo, baby, para malaman mo. Smell it. Only smell. Maanghang yan. Andito na si Agoy-Agoy.
What is that?
Biskotso.
Biscuito?
Biskotso. Yun, biskotso. Wash your hands, ka.
Yes, sir. Biscuito. Biscuito.
What do you got? Is that good, CJ?
Ay, sa Agoy. Hugas na siya ng kamay, oh.
Is that yummy?
Biskotso. Enjoy na si CJ, oh. Ayan, mga kaibigan. Enjoy si CJ.
I slipped.
Okay, careful. Oh, Dada, will you please get Kishana some milk? Wow!
Any gatas?
Yeah, gatas. Utap!
What do you got, CJ?
Oy,
OMG.
malaglag talaga tong ba.
Is that for me?
You stay right
thank
there.
you.
Stay right there. No.
Thank you, CJ.
Stay right on the side. That's where your chair is. Dada, will you please
CJ
get...
said thank you. I say thank you.
Dada, will you please get milk for si Kishana?
Whoa!
Wow,
more.
piyaya. Ala, kasarap ng piyaya.
Whoa.
You want gatas?
Yummy, piyaya, oh. Si CJ. Yeah, Dada will get you. Goy? Ay, napagilak ya. Goy.
Eat more. Mommy,
You wanna get open that one?
take it.
Oh, you got cake in there.
I like
Go
it.
get some Kishana.
I like it.
You may get the Kishana a small plate, babe. May piyaya. Uy, baby, ako na.
Gatas.
Like it.
Ayan, gusto na niya buksan ng utap, mga kaibigan. Buksan ng utap.
Minnie Mouse play.
Daddy.
Minnie Mouse play.
Dad. Dad.
Whoa!
Utap.
Ota.
I-ano natin to kay pangbambaon nyo to sa school.
Alright.
Yung utap, baon natin yan sa school mo.
Cake in here. Oh, and juice.
Ben, please put some biscocho on your plate.
I gave her a plate. You want this back?
Kishana. Yeah, he cannot finish the whole bag. She's not gonna finish the whole thing. Ayan, may utap. Buksan natin to kay gusto nang kainin nila, mga kaibigan, ang ano.
You get more. When you're finished. You gotta get some OTAP too.
You want Dada? Here's the utap.
What is that one?
This is, they call it piyaya.
What's in it? Ooh.
What's in it?
Sarap. Eat it, CJ. Those are yummy.
Here's CJ.
What is that? What's inside it?
Piyaya. This is
Is
delicious.
it beans?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure.
They're good? Syrup?
Anong meron sa piyaya?
Let me read.
Wheat flour, sugar.
Daddy, over there.
Is that yummy?
Mommy, over there.
Meron pa daw.
There.
Uy, ano to?
Mommy.
Sit down,
over
kay-
there.
Yeah,
CJ.
sit down.
Buddy. Sit down, buddy.
Oh, tuyo. Ate Inday. Runeng, tuyo.
Me. The hell?
Yun na. Oh, kain ka muna kay tuyo
CJ
yan.
wants to help. You want to help?
Yeah.
Yep. You want to help?
Buksan mo.
Whoa.
Paborito ni Agoy-Agoy, oh.
Whoa.
Yung ganito, oh.
Eat your cookie. Eat your cookie.
Goy,
We're hot.
you can bring this to school.
And now I haven't tasted it. Mommy.
Goy, this is for you, oh. One for you from Tita Kebler and one for CJ. Look.
Wait, what is this?
Have crayon. Crayon and book. One for you and one for CJ. What you gonna see, Goy? What you gonna say?
Thank you.
Whoa, one for CJ You can bring this for
No,
school.
I don't want to.
No, one for CJ too.
Why do I want to?
Yeah, we're not gonna open it now. If you're gonna open it, you don't have any more tomorrow.
Oh.
We'll save it for school.
Mine. I want it.
Udon.
What?
Udon. Your favorite udon.
Mama, eat.
Yeah, you gotta eat.
Eat, Mama, eat.
Oh,
Eat,
utap.
Mama.
Utap. Oh, hindi mo kinain yung utap mo.
Flat. Eat.
Lutuin mo natin to. Buksan natin ang tuyo.
Tata.
Gustong-gusto ng mga bolelet. Gustong-gusto nila ang ano, oh.
What is that?
Tuyo.
Yay, Toyo. Mom, can I have some more milk? That's not yours.
Milk?
Down.
No more milk?
Yep. It's getting down. It's down. It's not up, Mama. It's down.
Okay, wait lang. Wait lang. Sarap ng merienda galing Pilipinas. Daming pahalubong si Kebler. Thank you, Keb! Masasayam nila agoy-agoy. Ano na. Nagkain na sila. You like it? Are you happy?
But
Ayan.
you think the cover has to leave.
Buksan natin anong klaseng tuyo ito.
Now, why does the clipper have to leave early?
Yeah, because they have to go somewhere.
Where are you going?
They're gonna go home.
Why?
You okay, buddy? Oh, favorite tuyo ni Agoy-Agoy. Ano kayang laman? Basta tuyo siya. Grabe talaga magbalot si Kebler. Oh.
Me, Mom?
Do you want tuyo? Do you eat tuyo, CJ?
Yeah.
Do you eat tuyo?
No.
Does CJ eat tuyo?
Me, Mom?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yummy. Oh,
Yummy daw. Wait lang, kamay mo. Ayan, wala, maganda to dun. Wow, sarap nito dun. Oh. Wow. Oh. Hilahin mo, hilahin mo. Smells so good.
It's your best.
Huwag mo nang buksan, kaya di man lulutuin natin. Saka nabuksan pag lutuin. Bakit buksan natin? Hindi man lilaw pa yan.
I don't want to eat this. I don't want to eat this.
Are you done? Okay.
I want.
You want otap?
No, I want this. I want to try this.
Sarap ng ano, piyaya.
Can I try this?
Goy, you're gonna save that
But
tomorrow.
what is this?
Save that tomorrow.
What is it?
You tried that before.
Oh, my favorite?
Mhm.
But I want to taste that. I don't want that in school. I just don't want one.
Save it tomorrow.
I don't want one in school.
Wait, let's play.
You save it for tomorrow.
Aw.
Finish your bizcocho.
But I don't have no more milk.
Okay, wala ng gatas. Boy, pick up your jacket. Well, your jacket is in here. Pick it up. CJ, you want more gatas? More gatas. Ang sarap ng tuyo. Oh, magluto tayo ng tuyo. Gusto mo tuyo in the morning, Goy?
What? Yeah?
Gusto mo piniritong tuyo sa umaga?
I said the other one. The other one with the
Isbog, Goy. Mahulog, malaglag ka. Oh, sige, utap. Okay, kainin ko tong utap pag ayaw mo. Sinawsaw din ang utap. Yummy. Best. The rest we'll save it tomorrow. Ito, babaunin to ni CJ bukas. Sarap ito lagyan ng... Ano? Hindi natin buksan kaya... Hindi man natin lutuin ngayon. Bukas na. Hmm? Yeah, it's a fish. Dried fish. Tuyo.
In the eyes.
Ice.
Yes.
Just the ice. Your favorite ice.
Oh, that's it. That's so bad.
We're not gonna open.
Oh, that's it.
How about do your color?
Did Dad have a map?
Probably.
Mommy, why okay.
Yeah, there's an airplane, right? Your favorite.
Why
Mm.
Mom?
Maganda to. Kalagyan nila ng mga... Ay. Tanggalin natin to. Lagyan nila ng mga... Anong ilalagay nyo dito sa bag? Yung mga toys. Tubig. This is so cute. Wow. You can bring your water when we go in the park.
Okay.
Yeah, when we go to the park, you can put your water here. Kayo na magdala sa mga tubig nyo. Hindi na ako ang magdala-dala sa tubig. Kayo na. Meron na kayong tag-isa. That's, ano yan, bebe? Buksan natin. That's a color. Oh!
Fishy.
Ako na magbukas kay... Oh, wow.
Color did that?
Color pencil. Color pencil pa yan. Ayan.
Pink?
They have different color. Green, blue. Go, you want the, ano? You want to try this?
Do you have pink? Card it.
No, you have yours, Goy. You have yours. Don't touch that. That's CJ.
Oh.
Uy, nahulog yung karton.
Silly CJ.
Hello sa inyong lahat. Good morning. Mga pasalubong. Sarap to. Ulamin natin to bukas. Toyo. Mula Pilipinas. May udong. Sardinas na lang kulang at malunggay. Mayroon pang mga bag yung mga bata.
Wait.
Sila, agoy-agoy, may coloring, tag-isa sila. Kaya, uy, grabing kaon na piyaya.
Can you give me some water?
Water?
Yeah.
Ano ba dyan?
Never, I want those.
May green peas. Gusto nila ito. Gusto ni agoy-agoy ito. Green peas. May CCG. May bag pa. O, ayan. O, may wallet pa. May bag. May white flower para sa panuhot. White flower, oh. Thank you, Keb, sa pasalubong namin.
Where we got that? Where we got that?
Ito mga kaibigan, magbiyahe kayo, nahihilo ka. O kaya, ang tawag yun, yung dagaton ka ba? O kaya malamigan ka. Kahit nga ako mga kaibigan, yung may sipon ako, ganun ko lang itong white flower dito, ihidhid ko lang ng konti dito, kay manghang to eh. Makakatulong talaga siya. Paghinga mo. Mayroon na tayo. Packet pa talaga, oh. Maliit lang. Wallet size lang siya. Kasyang-kasya dito. Ito, maganda to wallet natin, oh. Lagay natin sa bag. Sukat nga natin. Ang ganda-ganda. Abaka pa mga kaibigan, oh. Abaka. Napunta ang abaka dito sa Amerika, oh. Tingnan mo nga. Lagyan natin ito ng ating... Uy, tamang-tama. Oh. Tamang-tama ang size niya. Lagyan natin ito ng mga anong mga kailangan natin. Ating pitaka, key, cellphone. Oh, kasyang-kasya, oh. Ganda ng abaka. Ganda ng kulay, no? Authentic talaga from Philippines. Ang ganda. Lagyan natin ito ng mga gamit natin. Busog na sila Don Julio, oh. Nagtingin na sila sa mga books. Ingat kayo mga kaibigan. Ayan. Wala ka ng more biscocho, go, you're done.
No more.
Okay. Tuntua si Don Julio sa mga books. Oh, may mga dolphins. May mga animals. Ingat kayong lahat po. Magandang araw. More? Kuha ka.
We already have a map to the journey.
Nice. Keep that map.
Are we getting lost and go somewhere where we go? Because I'll show you where the Philippines. This is Philippines. This is the Philippines, right?
Philippines?
That's right here.
Hinanap niya gagawin Philippines. Anong Philippines?
This one where mommy lives.
Philippines is here. This is Philippines. That one.
Philippines is far because where are we? We are here. We drive.
No, we are here. We are... Saan ba tayo?
We're here.
Oh yeah, we are here in the... Over here.
In ocean.
Where the dolphin... This is our... Here, we are. Wow, ang layo.
This is where we have. No,
May
that's
mapa.
mine. I got first.
Ay, nako. Ayan na naman sila. Bilis, fine here, guys. CJ. CJ, here. Ay, nako. What na? Ay, nako, Lord. Help. That's okay. Get up. Gilugnot ni CJ.
Baby.
Wait, I'm gonna get, CJ, calm down. Just calm down, okay? Just calm down. I'm gonna get a tape. Do you wanna get a, tape?
Yeah, get tape. You get tape. I can't.
None.
This is mine. No, it's not yours. It's mine. I got first. You got one. But
Ititape ko na kay.
Mama, CJ got one, but he lost his.
Really?
Yes, but he don't have one anymore. So I feel like he got one.
Move a little bit here para ano ko. Ititape natin kay sus ko binila ni Don Julio.
Do this crack. Do that crack.
Okay?
I love the crack.
Bebe, ha?
You want to eat that, Mom?
No, CJ. Save it for tomorrow.
I can have one.
If you're gonna eat that, there's no more tomorrow.
I don't want one in tomorrow.
You already have enough.
I don't want one tomorrow.
You already have enough, okay? You had enough na.
Can I have that in the
Huwag
morning?
nating ubusin one time.
Can I have one in
Buksan
the
mo,
morning?
kainin mo na yung na-open natin.
Can I eat one? Eat that one in the beans, like the green beans and yellow. I want to eat that in the morning.
You can have it tomorrow, girl.
I want it in the morning.
You can have it tomorrow, okay?
No, I mean the morning. The morning is tomorrow.
Okay, very good.
Okay, stick here. Stick tape here. My book is getting new.
Yeah, it does nothing happen.
But the bag.
Go back to brand new.
CJ don't have one. He did have one. Peter Kibber gave him one, but he lost it. So we don't know where it is.
You did lose it?
Yep, he did.
Okay. Huwag mo nang ilapit yan kay CJ. Alam mo naman itong isa. Don't. Huwag mo ilapit kay CJ yan. Okay. Sige na, where is your maghanap tayo dito ng map.
I don't have the map.
Gusto ni CJ ng map, yung ay nako. Ay. O sige mga kaibigan, ingat po kayong lahat. Bye-bye po. Ingat kayo. Good night. Magandang araw. Gabi na po dito.
Bye.